Wow. So I'm denied ads on Instagram and YouTube. Let's start with Instagram. By the way, I put this ad up right here. Spent $20, got 69 clicks, which is not much. So it's not good money spent anyway. And somehow it passed the test before, but this time it's rejected. Let's see why. Am I selling fake boner pills? Am I trying to lure children into a not so good situation for the elite? No. And by the way, here's my ad, guys. I'm just showing where I was at 42 and where I am at 56, trying to help people get healthy. It has nothing to do with necessarily the way you look. It's not discriminating, but of course to these guys, your ad appears to promote health, which is good, or appearance-related products that may imply or attempt to generate negative self-perception. So trying to help people not be fat with diabetes and die early is negative self-perception. This is the world we live in, guys. I'm trying to help people, and it's the opposite of what the world wants or whoever's in charge. It's just I have no idea what's going on anymore. So we're just not going to even bother. I'll just go old school and hope that enough people see my posts anyway. But that's all I'm doing is, it's health coaching. It's something I've learned in the last 12 to 14 years, and I thought I'd want to help other people do it. So let's see. All right, on to YouTube. Disapproved and misleading content. I see so much crap and so much bullshit on YouTube and Instagram. And here I am, I'm not selling a pill. I'm just trying to help people change their lifestyle for the better, and it's misleading content. Unreliable claims. I didn't claim anything in the ad. I'm going to post it, by the way, at the end of this video so you can see. All I said is this is where I was before, this is where I am now. It's all natural, no HGH, no steroids, no TRT. Just make some changes in your life and things can get better. Look at this. Inaccurate claims. Claims related to health and weight loss. There's no financial products in here. See, these are all bots. That's the problem. Money-making schemes. They include health and weight loss with money-making schemes, politics, and believe me, I could see socialist commie politics all day long on YouTube, but not health and weight loss. I just don't get it, man, and I don't make any claims on it. I'm not saying, hey, I can get you to lose 20 pounds in 2 days. It's nothing like that. Like I say, again, I'll play the ad at the end of this video, but it's just basically, hey, I've learned some stuff. I could probably show you some stuff and help change your life for the better. If you guaranteed results, never did. No links to third parties. They asked for a link. It's to my link tree. Anyway, it's insane. Let me include the video at the end of this. By the way, here's my Instagram. I'll leave a link. Follow me. Here's my YouTube. Follow me. Again, no claims, just health and lifestyle. I'm 56 years old. I started thinking about this stuff in my late 40s, and I've turned things around. So that is all. Just a little venting today. Hey guys, it's Chris with Life After 50. This is a picture of me nearly 15 years ago when I moved to Vegas. I didn't think about what kinds of foods I was eating as long as they tasted good. Exercise was walking to my car in the parking lot, and thinking about my overall health and quality of life had not yet entered my universe. The picture on the right is me nearly 15 years later. All natural, no TRT, HGH, steroids, or any other quick fix cheat code. It's a way of life. You can do it too.
Life After 50, Health and Lifestyle.
Good evening.